Sixth subdivision in the first sum, given a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree, sin a plus sin b plus sin c is equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2, LHS sin a plus sin b plus sin c. So this one is sin c plus sin d formula. What is sin c plus sin d formula? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this formula I am going to apply. 2 sin c plus d by 2, that equal a plus b by 2. Next, cos c minus d by 2, nothing but a minus b by 2 plus sin c. You know the formula sin 2a. What is sin 2a formula? Sin 2a is nothing but 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. Yeah, I don't need 2 here. So take 2 and put here. A by 2, a by 2. Because sin c, no, sin c. How we can write sin c? 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. So is equal to 2. A plus b by 2. What is a plus b by 2? If you are going to see, a plus b by 2 is equal to 180, that is 90. This 180 by 2, no, 180 by 2 minus c by 2. A plus b by 2 is equal to 90 minus c by 2. This all you studied in the previous sum. It's 90 minus c by 2. If I are going to apply sin a plus b by 2, that is nothing but sin a plus b by 2. Sin a plus b by 2. What is a plus b by 2? 90 minus c by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos c by 2. The sin a plus b 2 will become cos c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. 2 cos c by 2, 2 cos c by 2 is common. So throw it outside. 2 cos c by 2. 2 cos c by 2 moved outside. Then remaining is cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2 is equal to 2 cos c by 2, open the bracket, cos a minus b by 2 plus what will be sin c by 2? You know, c by 2 is equal to 90 minus a plus b by 2. This we can written c by 2. C by 2. If we want, you know how it comes. I think you don't need any explanation, because you can write a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. 180 by 2 is a plus b by 2. C by 2 is nothing but this will become 90. This come this side, a plus b by 2. So c by 2. This is sin c by 2. No, sin c by 2. What is c by 2? 90 minus a plus b by 2. Sin 90 minus theta. This is theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos a minus b by 2. Cos a minus b by 2. So what is the formula? See, cos a minus b, sorry, this is plus, cos a plus b and cos a minus b. You know the formula? Cos a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. This is our formula. But what is present here? See, cos a plus b by 2 plus cos a minus b by 2. So in angle we need divide 2. So in angle divide by 2, divide by 2. This 2 moves here. So cos a plus b by 2, cos a minus b is nothing but 2 into. So write 2 cos c by 2, c by 2, 2 cos c by 2. What is this answer? If this 2 comes, no, 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. 2 2s are 4. Cos a by 2, cos b by 2, cos c by 2 is equal to RHS. Hence proved.